many she learned. 1, 2, 3. Let's count cars with me. 1 red car. 1, 2, 2 blue cars. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pink cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 white cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green cars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 brown cars.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 purple cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 orange cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 black cars. Bye-bye! See you again!